Well, once upon a time I was sitting where you're sitting. I was looking for answers. I was in debt. I had a lot of people wanting money from me that I couldn't pay. And I discovered some principles for how to take care of myself under those conditions. I learned how to negotiate with my creditors. I learned how to keep track of everything I spend and plan for a way of living, a way of spending that allows me not only to take care of my obligations, but also to have something of pleasure in my life each day. This program is a simple program that isn't always easy, but it will change your life as it's changed mine. It gives you an opportunity to say what you want in life by creating a vision for yourself, a vision poster, which for a long time when you're just dealing with debt and creditors, you can't think about what you want. This is an opportunity to do both, to take care of the past, to live in the present, to plan for the future. And there are a lot of tools here that can really help you to do that. So I would encourage you to check out the program, to learn how to feed your piggy, and come with us and see what that means. Welcome to Debt Watchers.